Do you ever look in the mirror and think, if only I could flatten this belly just a little bit? You're not alone. We've all been there. The good news? You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or expensive diets to get started. In fact, over the next 7 days, I'm going to show you how simple, realistic, and fun it can be to kickstart your flat stomach journey, right from home. Welcome to the Zest and Zest 7-Day Flat Stomach Challenge, where we keep it real, doable, and totally beginner-friendly. Day 1. Reset your mind and body. Let's be honest, belly fat is not just about the food. It starts with the mindset. Today, we're not doing crunches. Instead, we're resetting. You're going to drink 2 glasses of warm water with lemon in the morning. Take a 15-minute walk inside your house or outside. Breathe deeply for 5 minutes before sleeping. Why? Hydration wakes up your metabolism. A short walk boosts circulation, and deep breathing reduces stress, which is directly linked to belly fat. Easy, right? Zest. Tip: start a journal. Write down how you feel and track your belly size each morning. This helps build motivation. Day 2. Bloat. Be gone. Say goodbye to bloating today. We'll focus on drinking fennel or ginger tea twice today, avoiding salty and fried foods, doing 5 simple stretches. We'll guide you with visuals. Even if you do nothing else this week, cutting sodium and sugar for just 7 days will make your stomach look visibly flatter. Zest. Challenge. Replace one meal with a light soup or salad today. Your gut will thank you tomorrow. Day 3. Activate that core, gently. Still no gym, still no equipment, just you and your willpower. We'll do a 10-minute beginner core routine. Standing knee-to-elbow taps, shunted leg lifts, use a chair, slow standing side crunches, belly breathing, no jumping, no sweating, but yes, your abs will feel it. Zest. Motivation. Play your favorite upbeat song during this. Moving to music makes it fun and sustainable. Day 4. Detox and digest. Time to detox naturally. No weird powders. Just these steps. Start your day with cucumber plus mint water. Eat 1 banana and a handful of soaked almonds for breakfast. Go for a 10-minute after-meal walk after lunch and dinner. These small habits stimulate digestion and help reduce water retention. Your stomach will feel lighter by evening. Zest. Reminder, your body isn't the problem. The habits are, and you're fixing those beautifully. Day 5. Burn fat while sitting. You heard it right, today's challenge. Get moving while seated. Perfect if you're working from home. Seated belly tucks. Pull your belly in and hold for 5 secs. Arm circles for 2 minutes every hour. Replace soda coffee with herbal tea. Today, bonus, try laughing. Yep, laughing exercises your core. Watch a comedy clip and laugh out loud. Zest insight. Happiness helps hormones. Happy hormones burn fat better. Day 6. Clean eating. Day. Let's eat clean today without feeling punished. Here's your basic plan. Breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, banana, oats, and chia. Lunch. Lentils, brown rice, and veggies. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu or grilled chicken with salad. Snacks. Roasted nuts, fruits, coconut water. Avoid white bread, soda, and packaged snacks just for today. Zest. Affirmation. I am nourishing my body and loving the change. Day 7. Flat belly flow plus celebration. You've made it! Today, we celebrate and stretch. 10-minute yoga-inspired flat belly flow, low-impact stretches. Reflect on your journal. Take your day 7 measurement and compare with day 1. Drink a fruit-infused water to toast your success. Even if the scale hasn't dropped dramatically, you'll feel the difference. And that matters most. Zest. Final words. You don't need extreme diets or painful workouts. You need commitment, consistency, and kindness to yourself. Repeat this 7-day cycle as often as you want. Let it become your healthy habit reset. You've just proved you can take charge. No gym, no equipment, just you. Don't forget to subscribe to Zest and Zest for more real, easy health journeys.